This happened in Kansas City. Not Kansas, but me and my grandma is on the way back. And it's all so... Is it like a blizzard?
They're claiming blizzard conditions.
Yeah. And all going so... Blizzard conditions. But we, me and my grandma and most of my family came from Alaska, so this is nothing. But they're all going slow. That's why you don't... Some people don't go outside for that reason. But how many highways did they turn off?
They said they closed I-70, but we're fixing to find out. That's how we gotta get home.
We can't get home then.
That it wasn't the part we have to get home on, so I'm hoping. Look over there.
This is a big long line.
Yes, people are not used to this. At all.
This is how cold it is. Now, it's not even cold outside. It's not even cold. Just watch. It's so windy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I shouldn't have did that.
The air feels good though.
Yeah, it is. But holy cow, it's gonna be icy tomorrow. Ow.
There won't be school tomorrow.
Ow.
Even though there's only like so far, 2 inches of snow, there will be no school in Kansas tomorrow.
God. Ice just fell on top of my head. Ow. And so I got some new shoes. The A1 and ones, and also
they got their flashers on, and they're going like 20. It's gonna take us hours to get home.
I just had some really good chicken. I'm still hungry for that chicken. There's a big truck up ahead and they have the flashers.
No, I guess he's got his flashers on.
No.
Yeah, because...
yeah, he has them on.
Is he turning?
Wait. Holy cow. You can't even see off to the side. That's how bad it is. Look at that guy's truck. They're just scaled.
Well, which means we should be scared because they don't know what they're doing.
Under the bridge. Oh, Rocky Mountain. They're all slowing down. If I was driving, I'd probably be going around them.
You can't do that. If they don't know what they're doing, it makes it dangerous for us.
pushing us off.
Yeah, the snow will pull you in.
You don't even see barely trees in the distance. Bridge. Grandma, does this count as a blizzard or no?
Well, yeah, because it's whiteout conditions.
I'm gonna keep this video going till I get to my house.